Global policy restrictions. The traditional red brick factory was shut down. Banning has become an irreversible trend. The building materials industry is ushering in a critical period of transformation. Lightweight building blocks rely on multiple core advantages, rapidly emerging as a new trend. It is not only environmentally friendly. Production process pollution emissions are much lower than traditional red bricks. Buildings can also dramatically reduce energy consumption, accurately fit the global green building development concept. Raw materials are more flexible. With fly ash tail slag sand, easy-to-use materials such as cement can be put into production. Low comprehensive cost and convenient procurement. Overlay the policy promotion of green buildings in various countries. The annual growth rate of light brick demand in many emerging countries exceeds 20%. The market will remain in the blue ocean stage in the next 5 years. If you are planning to set up an overseas lightweight block factory, no need to wait and see. Hengde can help the whole line project from scratch. For the plant area, narrow floor height and low common problems such as unreasonable moving lines, we provide quantity field customization service. Accurately match equipment size and layout. Avoid wasting space. Can significantly increase productivity. Effectively ensure the smooth commissioning of the project and quick profitability.